Alright, so a little cabin update. I'm out in the woods doing a little work out here. You guys can see it's at its roughest. You can still see a little board on the roof. It's been about 3 years I came in and put tarps in. They probably made it 6 months or so. It's just some tarps. Let me step back a little bit. It's a rainy day. The dog's a desert dog now. She wants to be in the car, huh? What's up? Or hunting. Alright, there's a little spin for you guys. So I come in last time, walls were down and tore down. I fixed the wall, I fixed boards. I come in this time, there was no door on the place. It's like someone stole the door. So this is what it looks like. The roof has holes in it. Everything's in bad shape. Mom wants to tear it down and sell the property and live off of the money like it's her retirement. When we were little kids and our parents got divorced, they were going to sell the property, and our dad gave it to our mom because she was going to give it to us. She told him then it was going to be ours. She was going to give it to us. Now she's 70 years old. I'm crying about it because I'm 50 years old. We're going to be too old to do anything out here. That's what you get, guys. Peace out.